Call it spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days over.
Hi guys, it's Milcah and I'm back with another DIY, and this is the start of my Thrift Flip series. As you have watched from my previous video, I have a newfound love for embroidery, so I figured why not transform this plain thrifted skirt into this. Start by drawing dots 3 inches away from each other, also known as the center of the daisy. After you are done marking the dots, you can now start stitching. And now for my favorite part, it's time to make the petals. It really takes a lot of time and patience, but I still like doing it because it helps me relax. And we are done. A new outfit made for days when you want to feel extra cute. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please comment down below if you have any DIY requests. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!